Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Our Eat Special series is going on, and here comes another Ramzan special recipe, that is egg devil with fish keema, or you can say rui mache pur diye dimate chop. So without further saying, let's get into the recipe. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new, and also press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further videos and never miss an update. Now get into the recipe. So first, in a pan I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Yes, I'm using mustard oil, and I recommend you to use mustard oil for the nice taste, but make sure you get it nice and hot, well, like smoking hot, to remove the pungent smell of the mustard oil. So this is the stage you want. Now add 2 bay leaves and 1-inch cinnamon stick, and I have lowered down the gas, so in low flame I'm doing this. Next, add 3 cardamoms and 3 cloves, which I have pounded so that the cardamoms release its aroma into the oil. Now to that I'm going to add onions. I have taken 1 large onion and I have finely chopped it. You also chop the onion as finely as possible for you, because you don't want big onion chunks into the cutlet or chop or egg devil. Now I'm going to add some salt, as I always say, to sweat the onion, because then it will release some water and help in the frying process. So I'm going to fry them over medium flame for 7-8 minutes. After that you will get into this stage. Here I am going to add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1 teaspoon of grated garlic and fry them as well. So that the rawness of garlic and ginger goes away. It will take 1 minute or so. Next I am going to add some green chilies. Here I am using 3-4 green chilies finely chopped. It will give a nice aroma or taste as well as spiciness. Now I have added 300 grams of rui fish or rohu fish, which I have boiled and removed the skin and the bones. I have boiled it with some salt and some turmeric. Now mix it thoroughly with the mixture. I have mashed the rui fish as well. Next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can balance the red chili powder according to your taste. You can increase or decrease the amount, and you can use any type of fish for making this egg devil with fish keema. Now I'm going to add some salt as per taste and mix it as well. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and then goes half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and I'm going to mix them as well. I can tell you the smell or aroma I'm getting right now. It's already smelling delicious. Now to that I'm going to add some potato for binding. Here I'm adding I have taken 1 medium potato, which I have boiled and grated. Instead of mashing, I have grated so that it will be incorporated with the fish, and you will not differentiate it whether it's fish or the potato. There won't be any chunks of the potato. I don't want that, so I have mashed it. I have grated it instead of mashing it. So it's well incorporated. Now it's done. Let it cool down. It's cooled down. So now I'm going to make the cutlets or the egg devils. So for that I have taken a small portion of the fish mixture. Now I'm going to add boiled egg. Here I have taken boiled egg and cut into 4 pieces and I'm taking one piece of it and I'm going to cover it with the fish mixture or fish keema mixture. Put the boiled egg from all the sides. Be gentle so that you don't break it, and the potato present in it will help in the binding process. That's why I said adding the potato is much needed. Now I'm going to dip it into some egg which I have beaten. One egg I have beaten. Now coat it with some breadcrumbs and make sure you use your right hand for egg wash and left hand, which is dry hand, for coating the egg devil, and give it the shape of egg devil or egg cutlet. Make sure there is no crack. If there is crack, make sure using your palm join it and give it a nice shape. Now I'm going to double coat it because there is a thick, if you have the egg devil, it has a thick coating outside. For that you need to double coat it. So again I have dipped it into the egg and I'm going to coat it with the breadcrumbs like this and give it the shape of egg devil, and it's done. See, all our egg devils are ready. You can store them into freezer in airtight container in this stage, but I'm going to fry some of them. For that I'm going to take some mustard oil, as much as you need for frying. I don't like to use so much oil. I don't fry anything with deep fry anything. I like to shallow fry them because I don't like to use the same oil again and again because it's unhealthy. Now I'm going to add the egg chops or egg devils and over medium to high flame fry them for 2 to 3 minutes, and they will get a very nice golden brown color and it will be done. Because everything is cooked through, you don't need to cook them further. So over high flame do it. Keep on turning them so that all the sides are nicely golden brown. So they are done. As you can see, I'm going to remove them on a tissue paper or paper towel so that all the excess oil gets soaked into that. And our egg devil with fish keema is ready. So make this recipe in this Ramzan and let me know in the comment section about your feedback, whether you like it or not, and like, share and comment, and thank you.